Welcome to our presentation. We are Group 14, Team Luma, and today we are excited to present Smart Green Print using the NABC framework. Our group is Team Luma, and we are Li Won Zheng, Bu Ming En, and Ling Xin. Starting with the need, we are addressing two urgent, intersecting problems. Globally, we face an escalating environmental crisis due to mismanaged household plastic waste. Simultaneously, the 3D printing industry is hindered by the prohibitively high cost of virgin filament. Our approach is Smart Green Print. We have developed an automated, closed-loop system designed to upcycle standard household plastic directly into viable 3D printing material. Our approach follows a three-stage I/O sorting system, filamenting system, and air filtration system. First, our I/O sorting system uses machine learning to identify and separate HDPE, PP, and other plastics. Once the AI identifies the plastic, the motor rotates the bin to the right section, and a trapdoor opens to drop the plastic into its designated compartment, allocating 1/3 of the bin to each type. Then, the data flows directly into our IoT system, combining real-time automation with a collaborative, multi-user login dashboard. Next, the filamenting system utilizes precise PID temperature control to extrude this waste into high-quality, consistent printing filament. PP and HDPE will be melted at different temperature. Finally, to ensure safety, our air filtration system features HEPA and carbon filters to neutralize emissions, making the entire process safe for indoor use. The benefits of Smart Green Print are built around efficiency, sustainability, and safety. First, our system features high-speed, high-accuracy plastic sorting. Second, it is deeply eco-friendly. By utilizing existing waste, we completely eliminate the dependence on new virgin plastics. Finally, we prioritize user health. Our system effectively neutralizes emissions, thus perfectly safe for home or office use. When evaluating the competition, we compare our system against market leaders like the Creality K2 Plus Combo and the Bamboo Lab X1E. While these competitors rely on expensive, proprietary virgin spools and RFID tags, Smart Green Print operates on zero-cost household waste paired with advanced MobileNet AI for intelligent sorting. Furthermore, while the Bamboo Lab X1E offers standard filtration, we go a step further by integrating real-time air quality monitoring to ensure absolute user safety. While the cost for others is high, Smart Green Print costs zero. Smart Green Print delivers a smarter, safer, and entirely sustainable way to create. Thank you for your time.